Just want to show you the Ontario Police following from the Ovid Family Community Library. Here's the fake moon, just so you can be sure. There's the fake moon over 715 North Euclid. And as I log on to Pizza Hut Wi-Fi, the Ontario Police are already here flying over the building in relevant position, stalking. Just like I've been documenting via podcast, the people that state stalking, maintaining light activity at 215 F Street, maintaining stalking with light in the path, engineered light, not headlights that create that light activity, multiple shadows and whatnot. And the entity is stalking. These are demons that are pacing all around in engineered light. The entity is engaged in the pattern of conduct. This sex offender is molesting with light as I'm standing in relevant position, engaged in Title 18 federal stalking. I believe she's not necessarily an employee, but she's gang stalking with a third party that I'm capturing in the parking lot. And he drives off as the Ontario Police, they're circling. Because you can hear on the podcast that I've been documenting this, so I'm starting video right now. This is the entity stalking me, again, engaging in that pattern, just like they were over the library, or the fake sun remained over this block today, and over the same entrance from 8 a.m. until 5:33 p.m., where they were flying over my head. License 9 SPV 711 is sharing in a sex offense with a third party that was parked right here. His license plate is on my podcast. It's currently 9:15 p.m. This is 715 North Euclid. Pizza Hut is monitoring with the employees and with the patrons. So she comes in engaged in the P.O.C. She's picking up a pizza. It's just like being at Starbucks. She's engaged. The people that stayed engaged in the P.O.C. under the fake sun that remains over the venue all day long, and then they're going in and purchasing a drink. This is the federal RICO case. Okay, every single business in California is gang stalking, engaging in surveillance. This is my shadow on the trash can. All right, and here's my shadow behind me back here on the ground, where the Ontario Police are stalking in the path, not helping the people of the state. Tracy Banks is going to federal prison, so is L. Edwards, so is A. Quesada, Escobar. They engaged in kidnapping. So are the employees at Starbucks at 507 North Euclid Avenue. They're engaged in state surveillance, and the entity's engagement in what is ongoing terrorism and harassment as they're being documented and it's being published on the internet is going to result in what is, they just flew next to the fake moon. That thing is not high up, it's low in the sky. They're engaging in the pattern of conduct, which is incriminating the people of the state. All right, this is P.O.C. It is currently 9:16 p.m. Just to be clear, at the 320 West G Street, that's the gym where Nathan was engaging in harassment, and the entity flew over my head by helicopter while Nathan was engaging in harassing me as they are monitoring the evidence. This is stalking in the path with light. These are demons. And this is the population that's monitoring my vagina in bathrooms. Okay, license plate 5VVM 786. This is the entity, the state of California. Okay, the mayor is being removed, the Ontario City Council, they're engaged in state surveillance together, the police, the fire department, and the international airport, the Ontario International Airport is gang stalking. It is currently right now, I just want to be clear, 9:17 p.m. This is P.O.C. Purchasing from a third-party facilitating venue is a criminal engagement in that P.O.C. And the entity is engaging in what is a ongoing sex offense, molesting with engineered light. This is demon just stalking in the path, just coming to fill up with water. This is currently, again, 9:17 p.m. P.O.C. at 715 North Euclid Avenue. Pizza Hut's gang stalking.